Are you looking for the best hand strengtheners? In this video we will look at some of the best hand strengtheners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FitBeast Hand Grip Strengthener Workout Kit. Our best choice for the best hand strengtheners is the fantastic and versatile FitBeast Hand Grip Strengthener Workout Kit. Here, you get 5 different hand strengthening options so you can target different areas of the hand and fingers for a full workout and ensure strength, flexibility, and dexterity. Each piece offers an ergonomic design and is comfortable. Where possible, there are also adjustable resistance levels to increase the workout the more you use them. Across each option, you've got a secure and safe grip, and the compact design means you can use them wherever you like. Because it's a set of 5, though, you may not need each piece. However, it's better to have and not need than the other way around. Overall, this hand and grip strengthener is an affordable option that comes complete with a lifetime warranty for your confidence and peace of mind. Number 2. IronMind Captains of Crush Hand Strengthener. If you don't need a large set of equipment and want to find a great value that doesn't break the bank, the IronMind Captains of Crush Hand Gripper is an excellent choice for beginners and experts, as well as intermediates in between. You can work your way through 11 strength levels, so it's not a one-and-done thing, while the materials are durable and designed for long life to ensure superb results and performance way into the future. The grip is secure, and eventually, it's comfortable, too, although you may need weightlifting gloves when first using it to prevent abrasions. Whether you're using it to build strength or recover from an injury, you'll find a lot to love about this option that will keep on impressing despite its not-so-exciting design. Number 3. IMENSEAS Hand Grip Strengthener. The versatile IMENSEAS Hand Grip Strengthener 7-pack is another option for those who can never decide which workout is best for them and so want to try out everything they can. With 7 pieces of equipment to use, you'll never want for a hand workout, and with various levels of resistance for different pieces, everyone can find the right piece of equipment for them. The resistance bands are constructed using high-quality silicone and the grippers are stable plastic that's built to last. Each item is easy to use, which is a good thing considering there may not be any instructions included. It's suitable for a variety of demands and the handy bag makes it easy to carry with you on trips and commutes. Number 4. Luxon 2-pack Hand Grip Strengthener. If you need to work out both hands wherever you go, then look no further than the Luxon 2-pack Hand Grip Strengthener. This option helps you work out all finger muscles and provides resistance levels ranging from 10 to 50 kilograms. It's suitable for a variety of demands, while the lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store both on the go or at home. To top it all off, the durable materials means it's something that it should last a long time, although you still won't get as much mileage out of it compared to more expensive options. For the price, though, it's easy to clean and does a good enough job for someone who needs a low-impact strength building option. You may also like some of the best Smith machines from our list, so be sure to check them out. Number 5. Grip Strengtheners 5-pack Adjustable Hand Gripper. The Yukakel Grip Strengthener set offers adjustable resistance from 11 to 220 pounds, making it ideal for beginners, intermediate users, and advanced athletes. Build strength gradually and push your limits safely with structured progression. Stronger grip means better performance. Improve your results in weightlifting, rock climbing, boxing, MMA, golf, tennis, and more. Develop hand endurance, control, and forearm strength with consistent training. Made with reinforced metal springs and ergonomic anti-slip handles, this hand gripper set is designed for durability and stability. Built to withstand intense daily workouts without losing resistance. Strong feel. Reliable performance.